Hello everyone. Welcome to the new series where we gonna solve previous ECET bits. First of all the best for the guys who gonna attend ECET. Watch this series completely because for sure you gonna get some questions from this series in the exam. In this video I'm gonna explain TS 2020 C and Data Structures paper. It has got 9 questions which means 9 marks. Now the first question is the unsigned log requires dash of storage size. It is a direct question. The unsigned log long requires 8 bytes of the storage size. Do remember all the data types of it and its sizes. To make it a typical question, they may ask it in bits, so don't get confused and try to convert them into bits and express the answer. Now let's go into second question. What operation is performed by the string function string str copy CPY of S1, S2? It is also a direct question. strcpy is a function that copies right argument string into the left argument string. So option A is correct. Copies string S2 into string S1. Now let's get into the third question. For accessing a member of a structure the dash operator is used. We use dot operator on. So the correct option is 3. Third option. Date macro is used to print current date in dash format. Date is a preprocessor macro that expands to current date at compile time in the form of MMM DD YYYY. For example, it's like May 3rd, 2021. Now let's get into the fifth question. Linked list elements are not stored at dash locations. Here the first two options will confuse you, so read the question and answer properly. Answer is linked list elements are not stored at contiguous locations. It means linked list elements are stored at non-contiguous locations. Only arrays are stored at contiguous locations and fixed size. Now let's get into the sixth question. The best time complexity of insertion sort is. The answer is big O of n. This type of question is a compulsory in ECET. So try to remember all the time complexities. Here I wanna tell you a shortcut to remember this easily. To remember time complexities easily, I have prepared this table. It will make a shortcut to easy remember it easily. Sortings. Remember this series SBI MHQ. SBI. SBI is like SBI Bank. Remember, like it is an SBI Bank. And MHQ. MHQ is read this for many times. You can remember easily. Best, average, worst. Remember this series also. From best to worst, we are going. And now take this as a box. Here, from start, leave these two boxes and fill this with n squares. In exam, you can use rough papers for this purpose. If you think you may forget it, try to remember in this way. Fill this with n bubble sort and remember this diagram easily. It will make you easily to remember how to uh, what is the time complexity of the sorting technique. Here S is selection sort, B is bubble sort, I is insertion sort, M is merge sort, H is heap sort, Q is quick sort. And there are two searching algorithms, searching time complexities also. And how to remember this? Here, insert them in between after the SBI. After the SBI, LB, it's like LB Nagar. Feel like it's an LB Nagar. Uh, Searching algorithms best time complexity is big O of n. Okay, when it is the element is at first position, it is it not it need not to get into the loop, so it will find directly. So it is big O of n. And remember in this way, linear search and binary search. Okay, SBI Bank, LB Nagar, MHQ. It will be some difficult. Remember this way, n squares and last one cell is n square. And here all are n log n. Here nn log n 1 1. Here LB. Most of the times question asked in ECET will be like n square only. If you don't remember this, try to remember place a answer. If you have an option like n square, put n square in there. You can download these images. I will place these images in the description with a link. You can click on the link and download these images. Now let's get into the seventh question. A- Assume an array of 4, 5, 9, 10. Bubble sort is used to sort the array elements. How many iterations will be done to sort the array? The array is given as 4, 5, 9, 10. Here I have a simple technique to find this kind of problems. Now the array is already sorted, so it is in its best case. So the best case of bubble sort is big O of n, where n can be size of array. So here the size of array is 4. Size of array is 4. So the answer is 4. In case the array is not sorted, its complexity will not exceed more than n square because its average and worst complexities are n square. In the same way, you can find for remaining sorting algorithms also. Eighth question. What is the worst case for linear search? Its worst case of linear search is big O of n. The option is misprinted as big O of ln. If you can remember these time complexities, you can get 2 marks of it. So try to remember all the time complexities. The final question is dash data structure is required for breadth first traversal. It's Q. Q is the data structure used in breadth first traversal. Stack is used in depth first traversal. So remember the difference. Stack, depth first search, as it goes into the depth. Q, breadth, it goes into through the horizontal way. Remember like this. Finally, I wanna tell you is to go through thoroughly all the definitions you have in the C and data structures. It is very easy to remember all this. Make a short notes and remember all this. And finally, if you have any doubts regarding any question, please post into the comment section. Like, share the video. Thank you.